Hello everyone. Since the shocking and sudden announcement of the death of the Nigerian singer and young rapper Ilerioluwa Aloba, who was popularly known as Mohbad, Nigerians have been agitated, with their hearts filled with sorrow and questions regarding the shocking death of a star yet to bloom. Recalling that Mohbad died on September 12 at the age of 27 and he was buried by his family the day after he died, the quick burial has fueled widespread anger and suspicion around the country. Outrage across the country has been largely directed at Naira Marley, the boss of Mohbad's former record label, who is also the ambassador for the country's anti-drug agency and a vocal supporter of the governor of Lagos State. After days of protest by fans and many celebrities and petitioning by the citizens, the Nigerian police force has announced an investigation into any events leading to the death of Mohbad. On Thursday, 21st of September, the police force in Lagos said the singer's body had been exhumed and would be taken for an autopsy. The Lagos State government said the country's intelligence service had been enlisted to aid the investigation. As we await the result of the autopsy, the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu urged everyone with information to come forward and promised protection for witnesses. I have instructed that all those who may have played any role whatsoever in any event leading to the death of Mohbad be made to face the law after a thorough investigation, he said.
Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the host. Share the life, 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 share the life. Share the life, share the life.
Yeah, promise, Mohbad. I don't know what to say when I'm short of words. I wish Mohbad may actually be the way he left. And I pray may his soul continue to rest in peace. I pray that whatever justice that he needs to take regarding his death, I pray we that are all here together will be able to give it to him. Thank you. Yeah.
Justice. Come on, justice. Justice. Now raise your hands. Now raise your hands. What? When I say justice, you say Imole. Justice. Justice. My name is Father Baghdad. Thank you so much.
Thank you for staying with us and stay tuned for more updates.